had this. Evie and I had it. We've actually had the sweet lemon on 2 occasions. The first time we had it, wow, that thing was so bitter, so sour.
Really?
Yeah, I just like, oh, it was one of the worst things. But the second one the first one we had was kind of green.
It wasn't ready.
Yeah, I'm thinking it wasn't ready.
Okay.
And then we had the second one, which is this one right here.
Mm-hmm. Now this is what?
This is supposed to be a sweet lemon. I mean, sweet lime.
Lime?
I don't know why. Because you don't associate...
It's yellow.
Yeah, limes are usually green,
Yeah.
and you don't associate sweet with it. But I bit into it, and it was like an orange.
Really?
Yeah, it was that sweet. Now, what do these taste like? I don't know, because I haven't had this batch.
Oh, no.
But I thought it was better than the Meyer.
Oh.
It was way sweeter than the Meyer.
Mm-hmm.
I see you trying to preserve those seeds.
Always.
And I bought a bunch this time. I figured I can make some lemonade. I just bought a whole bunch.
Mm-hmm. Lime.
Lime.
Yeah.
Limeade.
Well,
it just looks like a lemon. That's why it keeps fooling me. So it's a lime. It had a floral scent to it the first time I had it. And it was real tough.
Okay.
I'm watching the face. Okay, that's a one.
It's good.
Your face ain't bent up?
No. You sure this is a lime?
Yep, that's a sweet lime.
It's good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now, is it sweet?
No.
It's not sweet?
To me, it's not sweet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's yours.
Got a little skin on here.
Yeah. Well.
It's neutral. The one I had was way sweeter than this. Way sweeter. Doesn't taste like a lime at all.
No. It's good.
Okay. What's your number?
I give it a 10. It's really good. It's not sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's don't taste like a lime.
No, it doesn't.
Mm-hmm. You sure this is a lime, not a lemon?
Yeah, that's one of the best limes I've ever had.
Yeah, it's really good. Okay.
I'm thinking maybe if you can grow a stem, you could put it on, graft it to one of your other trees, and boom, get a sweet lime.
Okay. You save all these seeds.
Mm-hmm. That's you still eating, so it is good.
It is good, yeah. Almost like eating an orange.
You heard it's almost like eating an orange. What's your number? You said 10?
10?
Okay.
It's really good.
That's a 10.
Mm-hmm. I don't think I could eat a regular lime like this. No.
Yeah, this is probably the first time you ever had a whole lime. Just eat it, just like that. Other than in juice.
Right, right. That's another seed. Okay. We are saving the seeds. Okay.
All right.
Very
there you
good.
have it. Sweet lime. So I said it right this time.
Yes, you did.
Did you want to try that sumo?
With this orange?
Or you gonna wait?
I can do it now.
Okay. Well, you can make juice out of it. I know you ain't gonna eat all this fruit.
Why not?
So Mom's about to try the sumo. Like I was saying, telling her earlier, the one we had in Brazil looked like a wow, that thing.
Grapefruit?
It was bigger than the grapefruit. That thing was, but it was nice. Oh, that probably was the best orange I've ever had. And you said you never had this before.
I don't remember this.
Yeah, you will remember it if you had it. Look at that. You smell that?
Smells good.
Easy peel, too. You can just stick your thumb in and...
I am. See, all around.
All that juice jumping off the skin. Yeah, hands down, this probably was the best orange I've ever had.
Can you compost this?
No.
This peel? No.
No,
You
I
can't?
wouldn't. But you could make some zest.
Okay.
Put a little pepper in there and the skin. That'd be good. And then with the rest of it, I would put it in a blender with some water. Blend it up real good.
Yeah.
And then strain the juice off and then use that as a cleanser or something. Or spray in your plants.
Okay. You want some?
No, I got plenty of these at home.
Ah.
Yeah, this time well, it's the first time I seen them here, so I just grabbed them.
Really? Smells good.
No seeds either.
Why not?
I have no idea. I think that's the way they breeded them. I guess I don't know. It's called a Shiranui Mandarin.
Oh.
It's a Shiranui Mandarin, so it's bigger than a regular Mandarin.
So this isn't an orange?
No, it's a Mandarin.
Okay.
I actually got I only got one tree. I have this. So when I bought my tree, it actually had about 4 mandarins on it, and they all dropped.
Oh.
Tree was too small.
This is good, nice and juicy.
Is it better than a Brown Select?
Oh no, it isn't that sweet. But it's good.
Yeah, the one we had in Brazil. Oof.
What?
Ooh, it was really sweet.
Oh my.
I think it was huge too. I don't know what they fed it, but that thing was huge. Okay, what's your number?
You know, I think I would buy these.
Okay. All right, if I see some in 2 weeks, I'll bring some back. Some more by.
Yeah.
What's your number?
I really like it. Like I said, it's not sweet. And I like that in a fruit. I give it a 10.
Okay, I was about to say I'm not getting a number, but yeah. I was waiting for the number.
Give it a 10.
You was giving me everything else. I buy it. It's in the store. Yeah. Okay.
All right.
That is good.
Very good, yeah.
All right.